The business marketing strategy framework is based around three main components. The first one is categories. I think about the product and service that is being dealt with and where it fits into the marketplace and into the categories. On the other side of the spectrum is the actual segment. And that is the market segment that has to do with the end users. This could be individuals that you're selling to, or this could be in terms of segments of companies that you're selling to. We'll speak about this more in another lesson. And the third one is the bit which joins the categories and the segments together, and this is your marketing channels. So that's the brief overview. But in this lesson, we're speaking about categories. Very interesting to bear in mind that large companies constantly plan a new product launch often years in advance. Millions of dollars are spent on market research to look at customers' buying behaviors, focus groups, customers' profiling and related textbooks, strategic business planning approaches and principles. And the internet helps to shorten these time frames. And it's all done for good reasons. Sometimes we don't see what's behind what's affecting us in a marketplace, why we buy things and why we want to buy them. And it's really good to get an understanding from marketing experts who are carefully crafting out these strategies and tactics to foster customers' buying behavior and customers' loyalty. So product launches are done by companies on a consistent basis, and depending on the size of your company, you may have one product but it goes to many launches, rebranding, representing your message to clients, and the category marketing approach fits very well in there. So let's take a couple of examples. If you take the auto industry, you have multi-purpose vehicles, sports utility vehicles, your BMWs, you got Jeeps, you got mini cars, you got luxury cars. All these type of cars fit into different categories within the car market. So if someone says to you, I'm gonna buy a car, the next question you say is, what kind of car are you going to buy? Is it a big one? It is a small one. It is a $5,000 car, or it is $100,000. Now the key point with this is that conveniently the cars which fit into a particular segment, they shake out to be sold to specific segments of the marketplace. So when you get your categories correct in the marketplace, then we can move out to determine where to position your marketing message. So cars are a good example. Think about specific cars. You may see mothers taking their children to school. Of course, if you are selling a two-seat car, you won't be crafting your marketing message to a young mother who has 3 kids to take to school every day. So it's a good idea to look at these happenings in the marketplace and learn from them. Hairdressing is another good one. We have many hairdressing salons very often focusing on low-cost price, and if you go from one hairdressing to another, basically the service they are offering are very similar if not the same. Very often hairdressers don't make the decision to actually move up to the very high-end service offering. But of course, there are hairdressers like celebrity hairdressers that are earning 10, 20, or 30 times more than your average hairdresser. So the question is, would be offering high-end home delivering service using some specialized hairdressing type? And this would move your hairdressing service into a different category of the market, and then by definition you will shake out how you'll be targeting different segments of the market because you moved your service into another category of the market. You could also take the example of skincare products. I've noted in the marketplace you could buy a 50 ml jar of skincare cream for $5. You could also buy some premium skincare products for $50 and more for the same quantity of skincare cream. Of course they do different things, they make your skin look more beautiful, but the point is that the $50 skincare cream is on a different category of the market than the $5 cream. So the marketing message that you craft would be different and you would be targeting your message to a different segment of the market. So that's defining your category of skincare cream by price. You could also see if you look at the big manufacturer of skincare cream that you can base your skincare cream category on Asian skin or Caucasian skin or black skin. All of these segments of the market have a lot of economic power and it makes no sense now for companies to reduce it to one size fits all skincare cream. They want to really craft out a niche for themselves and target their skincare cream to specific segments of the market and dispose their skincare cream into different categories. So this is the brief discussion of category marketing. You should take this and apply it to your business. Let's say you are a window cleaner. You could be cleaning $1 million houses and charge 10 times more than cleaning other houses. And this could be applied to any business.